A hostile entity known as Salvery has been reported in multiple residential areas. Witnesses report individuals being attacked and disassembled within their homes. Salvery is described as a mechanical humanoid with shifting appendages and glowing eyes. It may be accompanied by static interference and distorted voices. If you are receiving this broadcast, immediately lock all doors and windows. Turn off all lights and electronic devices that emit light or sound. Take shelter in the darkest area of your home. Basements, closets, or interior rooms with no windows are recommended. Remain silent. Avoid making any sound that could give away your position. Or else.